In the old days, we all used to talk about the flying geese model. So, the flying geese model, as you're well aware, was the model by which when a country climbed the value chain, climbed the technology ladder, it would shed some of its manufacturing capacity, the lower cost portion to lower cost countries. So, for instance, when China began to make computer chips or AI or some of the latest space technology, then the toasters would migrate to a country which had a lower cost base. But what we've seen with China quite comprehensively so far is that the flying geese model has broken down. And I think the main reason for this is automation. If you look at the deployment of factory robots in China, it's absolutely off the charts. And so what's happening in China is that the cost base remains low because of the deployment of these robots that can work 24 hours a day. They don't take breaks, they don't take holiday, they don't need HR, etc., etc. And so China can keep producing low cost items at extremely low costs. And even these days, it can make these toasters cheaper now than it used to even 10, 15, 20 years ago. So that's the reason why the flying geese model has broken down. But this has huge implications for the rest of the global south, because it means that as China climbs the tech ladder, these countries across the global south will not be receiving anything like the amount of low-cost manufacturing investment that they might have hoped for even as recently as 10 years ago.